Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I'm still all excited about being at Marisa's beautiful floral farmlet. It was gorgeous, a beautiful garden in a suburban environment. Amazing what she's done. And while I was there, I found these zinnias and I thought these will be perfect for a design that I've been thinking about for quite some time. Okay, this is a vase that I did ages ago and I decoupaged it and I absolutely love the colours, and I think that with the zinnias, and I've got some hydrangeas from my garden, this is going to be gorgeous because when I looked into here I could see these little light bits here that reflected into here, and there's little bits of pink on my hydrangeas and they reflect beautifully through to the zinnias. Now I also like designing and putting things that don't normally go with each other together. Now I've had these berries. I used these berries at Christmas and I really loved them when I did the floral chandelier, not the floral chandelier, the suspended foliage with the lights and the berries in it, and I absolutely love these, and I love the depth of colour and how it picks up these deep bits in the outside of my container. Now I have no way of putting anything into this to hold the forms in place, and that's when I like to use things that you wouldn't necessarily put together, i.e. the berries. So when you are faced with this, what I do is I just put a little turn, a little curve in the container so that when it goes into the cavity, it sort of like hooks up into the ringed bit here on the outside of my container. Right, we'll just bring that one in there. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to have this a little bit longer here. Now you see that, see how that's just fallen off there? Just going to bring that up a little bit like this. And also what I'm doing is, that's going to fall there, but that's all right. I'll just bring that up a little bit further there. And I'm using these as a structure to form like that little crisscrossy structure that's going to hold my other forms. Now this bit here, I'm just going to twist that through there, and that can just sort of like lie down the side there. And with this one, I'll just bend that up ever so slightly, and that can go down and into there. So I've got this lovely internal network of stems. Now I've got these other little berries, so I'm just going to bring those down and into there, just poke them through. You would never really put berries with this, but even as a standalone display with just the berries into the container, I think looks really nice as something, as a structure that just sits there looking gorgeous all year. Right, the next to go in is this lovely piece of Aurelia, and I'm just going to bring that down and into, oh, look at that. Yes, that is looking gorgeous. Look at that. It's almost like it's growing out of it, and it's held in place because I crisscrossed all the stems. Now the next thing to go into here are the hydrangeas, which I'm just going to poke down and in amongst my other forms like a little ring. Some can be a little higher and some can be a little lower. That's a beautiful piece that can just go up and into there a little bit higher, and then this one can go down and into there just like that. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous little rounded arrangement into a round container, and with the round berries, so everything's working because it's all beautiful rounds together. You'll never go wrong with rounds. And I've just got that one there, and I just think that I need to use it because it's just so beautiful not to use. And then the next thing to go into here is going to be the zinnias, and I'm thinking I might like these just a little bit higher into the, oh no I don't, I want them going down into the arrangement. Let me see what this one's looking like. I might just cut that there off and just bring this up a little bit higher. Hopefully everything all plays together and they all stay where I want them to stay. Come out here, you. And then I'll just take that up, and now that bit of foliage there is going to annoy me, so I might as well just get rid of that now. That can go down into there like so. Oh, you're going out there. Oh, beautiful. And then this, I think I'll just bring that over. I might as well keep them all towards the back, and that can sort of like, see this here, see that bit there, that big thick bit there, that's not going to work for me, so I'm just going to take that off. And I actually don't even think I want that on there either. So I might as well take that off because they won't last for very long. But the thing about a zinnia is, it's one of those flowers that just keeps on giving, just keeps on keeping on. That can go over there. Let me see what, oh, yes, that looks very nice, except that is wrong. That is too tall. So I'm going to cut that, and I think what I'm going to do is to just keep these a little bit lower into there, and then with this one, cut those leaves off. This is going to be very beautiful. I can feel it in my bones now. Visually, it's starting to stimulate. Look at that. Now, when I look at these here, I'm thinking to myself, do I really want those up there, or do I want to keep everything low? Well, let me just show you what these are going to look like with these a little bit lower and down into the design. Oops, I lost that bit. Hold on. Now that can go up into there like so, and then I'm going to take that out of there and bring that down a little bit lower as well, and that can just go down and around the edge. Now look at that. See, it was looking like it was going to be okay until I actually got into it, and now the depth of colour is into the centre, so your eye drifts up here, round through the beautiful liminess of the hydrangeas, and then there's that leaf canopy. That's a beautiful design that would look lovely in any environment. I hope you've enjoyed a new way of designing with zinnias. I hope I'll see you again another day. Bye for now.